video is going to be on this lovely body wave closure wig that is from Alipearl Hair. So I went ahead and blew it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and curl it. That should come as no surprise. Body wave hair, my first instinct is always to curl it. So I got it in 24 inches, but honestly, you guys, it looks a little bit longer than 24 inches. And the density on it is 180% density. So I don't have this wig like put on with anything. I literally just put the wig on. So you could wear this wig gluelessly if you pluck the hairline good enough, because I have literally no product on right now. All I did was literally just put it on my head, and this is not my first time wearing it, so this is going to be a reinstall, of course. But I'm going to go on with this new Even Wonder Lace melting spray. I'm not going to talk too much about this because I need to see if I actually like it, so maybe I'll do like an in-depth video on this product next time. But for now, I'm just going to see. As you can tell, I'm not really going to need to use a whole lot of product. If anything, I could honestly go in with the regular Even, or even a little bit of this Bold Hold, because I just really need to, I mean, it already looks melted, but I just want it to be, I'm not even going to say secure because it is secure too. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of product on the hairline anyway. Let you guys watch me so effortlessly style this wig, and then we'll get into the tea on it in a moment. And stay tuned for the end of the video if you guys want to see the what's in my back portion. I'm getting ready to go somewhere. I'm already dressed, have my outfit on. I just kind of need to get my hair together and then throw everything that I'm going to need inside whatever bag I'm taking today.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
Okay, so I'm all done with this side. Basically, all I did was I split the hair into 2 sections, and I did 3 curls on each section. So there's only 6 curls on this side, and I'm going to literally do the same thing to the other side. I didn't already mention this hair is from Alipearl Hair. I will go ahead and leave the direct link down below in my description box. Of course, this is their body wave 5x5 HD lace closure wig. Like I mentioned prior, I do have it in 24 inches. The density on it is 180% density. Cap size is average, meaning you don't get to choose. Now with this average cap size, I will say that this one should fit small, medium, and large. It's not large enough to where if you wear small like myself, you have excess cap in the back, or it'll be too big. And it's not small enough to where it wouldn't fit a bigger head size, if that makes sense. Luckily, I'm not new to getting their body wave wigs. I'm pretty familiar with them, so I always know what to expect every single time I do get another one. And it's not often that I get another one. Their body wave wigs are not the type that you're gonna have to keep buying, you know, every 3 or 4 months. Honestly, you can get away with getting probably 1 a year. Depends on what all you do to the hair. The longevity wise with it, if you take care of it, it should last you around a year mark, if not longer. It's silky, it's tangle free, minimal shedding, holds a curl, gets bone straight. That's pretty much the gist of this wig, so I don't have anything bad to say about it. Like I said, this wig is not new to me, so it's just me telling you guys that I like it. If you're looking for a body wave wig, I would definitely suggest that you check this one out. There are so many good recommendations that I have been showing you guys as far as body wave wigs. There's not one that I would say is better than the other. I try to show you guys a variety from different companies that offer different price points, some that are on the higher end, some that are more affordable, some that are somewhere in the middle. So use this video as a guideline and make your decision based off of what you feel like is in your price range. But this one is definitely good, but it is a little bit on the, I would say it's probably in the middle. So this wig is $331 for 24 inches. That's a little steep, but like I said, it lasts, so I would say it's worth it. Now, if this wig is $330 and I'm saying that, oh, I have to repurchase it every 4 months, I would definitely say that it's not worth it in that case. But if you find that that is affordable for you, I feel like you won't be disappointed with your purchase. And if you are, don't hesitate to contact them or contact me. Shoot, I'll contact them on your behalf for you. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to let my waves drop. I'm not going to brush them out anymore because as the days go on, I'm just going to let them continue to do their thing. Now what I will do is probably go ahead and put some layers into this hair. This side of the hair, this front part in particular, was not curling right. So I don't know what's going on there, but more than likely I will end up cutting some layers into this hair and that'll be that. So because I'm more than likely going to wear a nude heel with this particular outfit, I'm going to go with this bag. This is the YSL medium size envelope bag. You guys, if you want to know where you can get this bag from, if you want to be a baddie on a budget, head over to my Instagram and check my Instagram bio. I have all this tea there for you guys. If you know, you know. So I do have it in the nude color with the gold hardware. This bag comes in a few different color options as well as hardware options as well. They have the black on black, they have the silver kind of gunmetal looking type hardware, but I always lean towards the gold. And like I always say, nobody is competing with YSL when it comes to their gold hardware. I live for these chains. I love the sound of them. I like how chunky they are and how they look. So this bag is truly one of my favorites. What the front of the bag looks like. It's a pretty structured bag, which is why I love it. This is the side of it. This is the back. Now the back, it does have this pocket here. I don't really keep too much stuff here. You can. It's not too tight to where you can't put anything back there, but most of the time I don't. I mainly keep everything inside of it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this bag is full to capacity because everything that I want to carry for today is inside here. So let me go ahead and show you guys. First thing is going to be my fragrance of the day. So only if the bottle is small enough do I like to carry it on me. If it's not and it's too big, then I will more than likely leave it at home. This is the Baccarat Rouge 540. This is the lighter colored one because I do have the red bottle in the back there too. This one is my favorite. That's that. I always carry my phone. I feel like that's a no-brainer. I'm going to show you guys this really cute case. So I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the color blue, and I have this Christian Dior case on it. Like I said, this is also linked. My favorite color is blue, so naturally anything blue I tend to get it. It's super cute, and it has a little flap here that is magnetic that you can put some cards in. So it's kind of tight, but you can definitely maybe slide like a card or two in this section here. So yeah, I carry this one from time to time. This is not my everyday case. My everyday case is normally just my clear one, but today I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one. I don't carry cash on me often. If I do, I will just throw it in the bag. But as far as like my cards and things of that nature, this is my Louis Vuitton card holder. I love this. It has this cute little keychain on it. It has multiple spots where you can put cards at. So it has slots here in the back. It has this little pocket here that you can put something in. And then it also has this little zipper compartment that you can also put even more stuff in. So I love this. This is definitely an essential for me. I do not go anywhere without this. I always have to have some gum on me. This is for me and sometimes for other people. So I never leave the house without my sunglasses. Like I just mentioned, you guys, my favorite color is blue. So these are my favorite sunglasses. They are kind of like a blue and black gradient. I'll try them on so you guys can see. I get so many compliments every time I wear these glasses. People just love them. I have them in this color and I also have them in brown. So this is what they look like on. They're just like a rectangular frame, and like I said, it's like black and then like a blue gradient. I freaking love these so much. And then realistically, I always carry my own pens for when I need to sign something else. Regular stuff like my car keys. Also carry this little makeup brush. You just pop it off and open it up like that. So I use this with this next item, which this is my holy grail. This is my MAC mineralized skin finish in dark deepest. This is just a pressed powder that I use because I do have oily skin, and sometimes throughout the day I either need to block or touch it with powder. This is my go-to little compact. It has a mirror in it. So yeah, this is a really good powder, you guys. And then with this having a mirror on it, if my lip combo needs to be touched up for the day, then I always make sure to carry my lip products. I have my MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil, and then I have two glosses. My Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and this one is in the shade Ice. I have this linked in my Amazon storefront under my favorite lip glosses. All of my lip glosses that I use are linked there. What's the other one that I use? I also like to use my Sephora one. So this is in the shade Yes Honey. This is the Sephora gloss lip gloss collection. Also make sure to always carry my AirPods. And then these are my eye drops. I do have allergies, so sometimes my eyes will get really itchy or really red, and that's where these come into play. Little bottle, but this brand of eye drops is from CVS, and it is very effective. Love this. Then lastly, I do have my diffuser oil. Now some of you guys may be wondering why I carry diffuser oil on me. This one is from Aroma. I do have it, like I said, linked in my Amazon. I have this because in my car I do have a car diffuser, and so I just like to, I don't bring this all the time, but when I notice that my diffuser is getting low, then I will just go ahead and throw it in my bag. So it comes in this cute little case right here, and this scent is, which one is this? This one is white tea. It smells really beautiful. They're supposed to be like inspired by like some of the real popular hotel scents, so it smells wonderful. It has my car smelling good too. Now that the bag is empty, I'll go ahead and show you what the inside looks like. Open it. It does have a magnetic closure on it, so it's easy for it to snap back. And it's strong enough to where it's not going to bust open. Even as much stuff as I carry in it, it never accidentally comes open on its own. I guess I'll just show you guys for space wise. It has a pocket on the inside here, but that's pretty much it. So I love this bag to pieces. I like that it's structured. It never gets bent out of shape or anything. It does not sag at the bottom because the bottom of it is pretty hard. So like I said, if you know, you know where you can find this bag as well as some of these other items at. Sometimes I feel like I'm missing things though, like things that probably you guys carry in your bags that I maybe wouldn't think to carry in my bag. So if, I don't know, you feel like there's something that I should be carrying because you carry it and you feel like it's necessary, definitely let me know down below in the comment section. You guys, I had a package come, so I totally forgot to film an outro, but nonetheless, I do appreciate you guys taking the time out to watch this video, and as always, I will see you guys next time.